Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to Best Kept Plans. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of September 22nd through the 28th, 2025 using my A5 notebook from Archer and Olive. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Here we are in my A5 notebook. I'm going to be going with a vertical layout over 4 pages for this week's spread. Our theme for September is stencils, so I'll be using this stencil from the Crafter's Workshop, these abstract florals, and this red quote sheet from According to Allie. I'll also be using these number stickers, days of the week stickers, and month stickers from My Happy Place stickers. I'm also going to be using this milled lavender distressed oxide. I've been absolutely loving the use of stencils throughout the month of September, and I've also loved using some more delicate or calmer colors throughout the month as well. And so I thought it would be perfect to finish off the month of September with this milled lavender distressed oxide because it's definitely very light in color, and I see myself using bolder, darker colors as we head into October and deeper in the fall season. So I wanted to give this color a use before I change up what the vibe of my spreads is. And I ended up putting this stencil along the leftmost column of the spread, which is often what I do when I'm using a stencil. I also put a little stenciled section in the bottom right corner of the rightmost column of the spread. We'll be going back to that area in a little while to add in some more deco. I really like the size of these number stickers and the way that they look paired with these smaller days of the week stickers. The spacing is a little bit different than what I usually do just because I wasn't used to using these stickers, but I do like the way those headers came out. And now we're in the bottom right corner of the rightmost column, adding in some of these abstract floral stickers to create a quote cluster. I first put down this leaf sticker a little bit off the page, and then I wanted to add in a floral, but I wasn't exactly sure where I wanted to put it. I didn't want the florals to look like they were just running in a straight line, so I did bring it over to the left a little bit and then put that quote up top, and I do really like the way that ended up coming out. I also decided to add some stickers to the leftmost column of the spread, again starting with this leaf sticker and then adding in a couple of florals. I've been liking the combination of using stencils and then stickers for my headers, and this week I thought it would be fun to see how it looked and if I liked adding decorative stickers over a stenciled area, and I will say I absolutely love the effect. I think that if you're using a lighter colored distressed oxide like I did here, it really lets these stickers pop and works really, really well. After putting down those florals, I did add in a September month sticker as well as a small quote sticker. And the last thing that we're going to be doing for this spread is adding in the lines to separate each day of the week using my Micron in 08. I debated adding a line between the deco and Monday, but I decided that it would look better to distinctly separate that decorative area from the rest of the week. And that's going to be it for this week's Plan With Me. I am so in love with the way that this spread came out, I think that the stencil, the color, the florals all work really, really well together. And I definitely see myself using this stencil with overlying stickers technique in the future. I actually already have an idea of how I can do it in October. I hope you all enjoyed this plan with me. And as always, everyone, please be safe. Bye bye.